fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 27th of July. This is, climatologically speaking, a time where we should see the hottest weather of the summer, but we're talking highs mostly in the 80s this week, and with a pretty decent chance of getting wet at times. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. That's a view coming from Decatur. Of course, the lights down below are reflecting off the water of the Tennessee River up in Morgan County. The lights of the city of Gadsden there is seen from the Skycam in Etowah County in northeast Alabama. And in the Birmingham Metro, that's the Inverness Skycam, overlooking Highway 280, and hardly anybody out there at 5 o'clock this morning. I would imagine traffic will be a little lighter than usual next couple of weeks with the final 2 weeks before school starts, which is hard to believe. Looking at the water vapor satellite imagery this morning, it's the same pattern we have seen all summer pretty much. Ridge out west, trough over the east. Big thunderstorm mess over parts of West Texas and West Oklahoma, but around here things are pretty quiet. In terms of severe weather, don't really expect any organized threat this week. Today, there is a slight risk up north. But look at this. Wow. About the only time you ever see anything like that in the summer around here is when we have a tropical storm or hurricane involved. This is suggesting 5 to 7 inches of rain this week. This is valid through Friday evening at 7. That's probably a little aggressive, but we do expect wet weather this week, no doubt about that. But as we all know, with the convective nature of the summer rains we see, it will vary a good bit from neighborhood to neighborhood, but no doubt there is a chance of some beneficial rain over the next 5 days. In the tropics, quiet as a mouse. Maybe it's El Nino, maybe it's the dust layer coming off the Sahara, but just nothing's happening out there, and so far so good. Not a single named storm as of this point here in late July. This is the GFS at 1 o'clock today. 594 heat over the southwest. A very chilly vortex over Canada and a trough over the east. And down below that, we've got a surface boundary near the shoals today. And a few scattered showers and storms will likely fire below that later today. They should be pretty scattered, but no doubt we'll see some out there. And then tomorrow, they should be increasing in coverage as the front washes out and moisture deepens. There's a look at Wednesday. Very soupy air over the east. I promise these maps are changing. They just look the same. Thursday, again, a very moist air mass. Scattered in numerous showers and storms. And Friday, same deal. Another surface boundary north of us. And these boundaries are kind of washing out before reaching us. Let's look at the weekend. There's a look at Saturday. Now, the pattern beginning to flatten out a little bit. And the ridge beginning to build across the deep south, but there is a clear weakness around here. And once again, that would suggest a chance of showers and storms. And on Sunday, same deal, but as the heights go up, you think they might be thinning out a little bit by then. And a week from today, Monday of next week, same deal, some risk of scattered showers and storms. That's August the 3rd. Now, let's go to the end of the forecast. This is August the 11th. No, that's hot looking there, 594 ridge centered around Kansas City. Still a trough over the northeast, but all of that is north of us. And if that's right, that would certainly trend toward a hotter and drier forecast there at mid-month. But we have seen runs just all over the road, and there's been not much consistency out there. So we'll kind of see how it goes this week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.